Welcome everyone, thank you so much for being here. For today's great adventure, we find ourselves at the Painted Trails here in Longwood, Florida. And this is a pop culture paradise. And we got about a mile to walk, and I brought myself a friend to help, I guess, join me in the company or misery, whatever you want to say. My pop culture guide, Pedro from Drone to Go. Hey brother, how you doing, man?
Hey man, how you been?
I'm good, man. Thanks for being here. You ready to get some steps in?
Absolutely.
You gonna tell me anything I don't know, like pop culture? You're a pop culture guy, aren't you?
Yeah, try.
All right, good. Let's go have some fun. Come join us, please. So the Painted Trail started back in 2012 by a guy named Jeff Sonkson. And it started in his mom's backyard. He painted her fence. And now it's gone to a mile long, and he wants to get up to 5 miles long. And they say sometimes you may see him on the trail. Hopefully, if we're lucky, we might meet him today. All right, we found our first piece. It's a little bit off the trail, which is the Wakaiba Trail, actually. Some are more closer to the trail and some aren't. And right in front of us here is a cast from the Dukes of Hazzard. You got Boss Hogg, Roscoe Pico Train, who I happen to have met when I was 8 years old at a car show, and the lovely Daisy Duke. And then look over here. Rick Springfield, Jesse's girl. And check it out behind me, you got Michael Jordan with the Lord of the Rings with 6 rings. Ernest Hemingway to my left, and on my right shoulder back here, Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. We're a little off the path. The path is right over the other side over there. But on different spots, I believe it's closer. But hey, we'll traverse the woods for you guys. Let's go. And have a look at this. King Leonidas from the 300. Probably my favorite movie of all time. Prepare for Glory. This is Guardians of the Galaxy here. Here's the Beastie Boys. And check it out to the right, you got Kevin Spacey. And if you're an ESPN fan, you remember Stuart Scott. He's actually from Central Florida. He passed away in 2015. And to get an idea, I'm back on the trail. And check it out, Pedro right there in the center of your screen, filming. And here's a view of the trail. It's a really long trail. We're probably gonna walk about a mile of it though. But it's beautiful, the weather's not too bad. It's upper 70s probably, not too much humidity. All right, just looked it up. It's 14 miles, the Wakaiba Trail. And we're gonna probably do about a mile and a half of it, so. And the trail's opened up, and look at this. An unobstructed view of awesomeness. Let's take a closer look. Check it out, I just saw this movie with Michael recently. The Crow. Rest in peace, Brandon Lee. Really good band here, The Police. And check this out. You may or may not know this, but I'm originally from Boston. Although I am flow grown, don't get it wrong. I was born in Boston, but raised in Orlando. These aren't the droids you're looking for. Oh, maybe they are actually. And I believe, could be wrong, is that Andre the Giant right in the middle of the screen there? It's nice. Oh, look at this here. A young Michael Jackson. Right next to Captain Jack Sparrow. And this is really cool. This is some really cool pop culture stuff here. Totally worth coming out here. The Incredibles. I'm not too big into musicals, but Grease, definitely one of the better ones in my opinion. Very talented, this Jeff Sonkson guy. Very talented. They got Wonder Woman, the Chrysler Building there. Hey, mahalo, Shaka sign. There is Hawaii. Oh, I love this one. I'm still missing it. Still missing Hawaii. 2 weeks later. Sulu, Star Trek Love. And Slash from Guns N' Roses. And hey, I get no respect here. Rodney Dangerfield, the man. Let's see what Pedro, man, what'd you think about it, bro?
This is awesome. I never knew this existed. Thanks for inviting me out to this today, and it's great to see the art, be out here, it's a beautiful day.
Yeah, I appreciate you joining me.
Lots of legends on these walls.
Isn't it? It's really neat. I'm pleasantly surprised, man.
Yeah, it's awesome.
And there's the legend, another one, Chuck Norris. You know he can parallel park a train. I don't know if y'all know that or not. AC/DC. And if you could be so kind, give this video a like, please. Thanks. I would recommend if you come out to the Painted Trails, because it's about, like I said, a mile and a half. Definitely bring some water and some good walking shoes as well. Hey, is it more paintings this way? All right, appreciate it. Oh, Snoopy. You're not home today. I came to visit you. One thing I mentioned is people on the trail mostly are very, very friendly. Everyone says good morning, drives past you. Just be mindful. You got the bikers, you got people rollerblading, and so just be mindful of that. But overall, it's really, really, really nice around here. People are nice. The area is nice. We stumbled across even some more. The dog is right. More animal-esque, but nonetheless, very impressive still. And one thing I've never seen living here in Florida my whole life, most of my life, is the Florida panther in the wild. Menacing looking. You know, it's still mind-boggling. I know it's been a long time, but I cannot believe that one of these took Steve Irwin's life. You know, about 20 years ago now, probably longer. I just still can't believe it. All the dangerous things, crocodiles, snakes, gators. There's a manta ray. And this is for you, Uncle Eddie. I don't know if you're watching. I know you love the Three Stooges, though. Check it out, Neil Armstrong, First Man on the Moon. And this one's really, it's like a 3D. Look at this, the Beatles one here. And the hits keep coming. Bob Marley. I haven't seen the movie yet. I am gonna see the movie. Anyone seen it? Let me know if it's any good or not. I work out a lot so I can paint all these murals. Check out, I got the shark popping out the ground. Right in front of Nemo. Darth. Got the Thriller, Michael Jackson. It just keeps going. This is great. Got Bond, Kiss, Jim Morrison, Ali. You know what, Albert Einstein? No one's ever said I was part of the men's society like you. Hello, Clarice. And there's the Intimidator. Not a big NASCAR fan, but I knew about him. The winner ain't the one, with the fast car is the one who refuses to lose. Dale Earnhardt. Here's Johnny. Even have a section supporting the vets. Very nice of them. I think I'm gonna step into my TARDIS real quick. I'll be back. One of the best of all time, Eddie Van Halen. Got a little South Park action, and I think I'm gonna end on the King of Rock, Elvis Presley. All right, we're gonna head back. It's about a 1.5 mile walk. We're gonna get some lunch. We're gonna wrap it up here. Pedro, do you have a favorite art?
My favorite was the Beatles, the ones that had the cutouts of them. I thought that was awesome.
Yeah, it was a good one. I liked Leonidas, but they were spectacular. I mean,
Awesome.
Really awesome. Hey, check out Pedro's channel. I'll put a link in below. Dro on the go. Thanks for joining me, Pedro.
Hey, thanks for having me. I appreciate you inviting me out today. Awesome.
Please like and subscribe. Take care. Until next time, bye from the Painted Trail here in Longwood, Florida. Hey, thanks for watching this video. Please consider becoming a channel member. If you already are one, thanks for the support. Let's grow this thing together.